Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Brave. Very good settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we go to Brave app and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first app and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your attention and your watching.